Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset the security settings in BIOS on HP Compaq 250 to defaults. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to do it. And once that's done, go to the right to security, and then you'll see restore security settings to factory defaults. Point on that, then click on enter. And now to do it, you'll need to just type in 0, in my case 0053, and click on enter to confirm. Or if you have a different, then you can just type in the ones that's showing on the screen. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.